Qualifying for a Greek Golden Visa through real estate, especially when converting a commercial property into residential use at the €250,000 threshold, it is crucial to understand how to avoid a possible rejection, because your residency permit application can be rejected even after you've made the purchase. Although this is not common, the main reason is legal issues with the property conversion itself. Just because a property looks promising doesn't mean it's eligible. Not every commercial space qualifies for conversion, making due diligence absolutely critical. Before any money changes hands, a qualified engineer must confirm that the conversion is technically and legally feasible. A lawyer should then ensure that all paperwork complies with Greek zoning laws and property laws as well. Notaries also need to verify all filings are in order. If these checks aren't done, or if they're done poorly, you risk purchasing a property that can't be converted. And here's the hard truth. Once the transaction is registered, the investment is final. If your permit is denied, there's no way to recover the money spent on the property. Without expert guidance, your path to residency could end in financial loss. By verifying the technical and legal aspects of the property, there is no risk of jeopardizing your residence permit application.